So I'm taking an Evo-express with the weight so they can't be moved by landscape companies when they're doing their service. We're going to be filling one of these up with liquid, like Thickwood, down to a 1% solution, 0.5% solution for carpenter ant control and big-headed ant control. We did these little screens that allows the ants to get in, but we're going to glue these in place so that the rodent can't get in. Okay, and then we're probably going to leave a little slight gap at the bottom, like a 1/4 inch or less, so that mice can't get in, but the roaches can get in also if you want to do a roach station. And then this will allow us a station that isn't going to be moved and isn't going to get destroyed by the landscaper. Most ant stations are terrible because they get destroyed. You'll constantly be replacing them. So this is what we're looking at. You know, I'm going to get a black mesh because I can get it in black. I just had a little piece, so I'm going to do a demo of it. And that's what we're looking to do to put outside houses. You can take the ones by Bell Labs that are designed as a rock and use them as a rock, and nobody can tell, and you can modify it.